welcome to Shelley's Homestead Hideaway. I am out here this evening watering the garden, and I'm being a little silly. Okay, let me get some more light on. Come on, light. Y'all see the garden down there? Maybe I should let it stay on. Now it comes on. All right, so y'all been to the water park, to the amusement parks before, right? And y'all remember the games that we used to play with the water gun? You had to squirt it in the hole to make the clown rise to the top, or whatever the character was. So y'all see the squash smack dab in the middle of the arch there, okay? And this is the actual distance that you're seeing right here, okay? I got the water hose here. We're gonna have a little fun. Okay? And let me zoom y'all in so y'all can see. We're gonna see if we can hit the squash, okay? Let me take you in 2 times, 5 times. I want y'all to see the water hose. Okay, here we go. Can we hit it? Can we hit it? Can we hit the squash? Y'all see it moving? Y'all see it moving? I'm hitting it. That man is rising. Let's see, am I getting it? I think the leaf is protecting it a little bit. All those squash out there. But for real, I'm just out here watering. Late night watering the lazy man's way. I'm trying to hit the containers that are on the other side of the raised bed down here. Booyah! The lazy man watering. And I know some are gonna say, oh, the water is just evaporating into the air. Some of it is. It's actually pretty cool. It's a nice evening, so it's not going to evaporate that fast. And in the morning, I will check to see if the leaves that were all wilted over have perked up from this watering tonight.